Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to learn step by step eye makeup. I kept very simple eye makeup today. Firstly, I am applying eyeshadow base on my eyelids and blending it very well. Now I am applying light brown eyeshadow on crease line. After that, I picked red color eyeshadow and applying on outer and inner corner of my eyelids. Now picking this golden shimmer and applying on the center of the eyelids. Just make sure that you should blend it very well. Apply same red colored eyeshadow on the lower lash line. Now I am creating wing liner. Now some mascara and good to go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you want to see in the next video. If you loved this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, share and like this video. Thank you so much for watching.